Presenting a unique townhouse nestled in the heart of Andratx Old Town. This property comprises of not one but two independent houses, giving you the opportunity to achieve great rental potential. In House 1, the entrance opens to sweeping southerly views across Andratx right down towards the port. It also features a modern kitchen and an ample eating area. Take the stairs down towards a spacious living area. And then up to the main bedroom and bathroom. From here, pass through to the private courtyard and up into House 2. Boasting an independent kitchen and a cosy living room with a fireplace. Take the stairs up to the living room, bathroom and bedroom. From the courtyard downstairs or from the bedroom here, follow the stairs to the wonderful terrace and jaw-dropping views right across Andratx. To see this property for yourself, contact Claire now on 695 420 903.